I found this round palette at Hobby Lobby. They're about $7, or you can even get them at Lowe's. It's a 12-inch round circle. And I'm going to start by painting this in Wise Owl white primer. And I did do 2 coats. Once dry, I do allow to dry for about 4 hours to eliminate any knots or any staining. I gave it a decent sanding with some light sandpaper. And then I covered it with Wise Owl 1 hour enamel clear as my top coat. This is going to be really, really simple. I feel like anybody can do this. I found these sprays at Hobby Lobby. They were $6.99, 50% off. And I really like this muted neutral tone. And I'm going to take my Bosch stapler. I'm going to staple the spray to the board. This board has a decent thickness, so the staples are not going through to the other side. And I just made sure that it was stapled enough that it was, pretty well established, so it's not going to move on me. I took a second spray, the exact same thing, and I kind of crisscrossed them with the stem and used the stem to staple the second one down as well. And I just did this across the bottom portion of my board. I found these beads at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to staple them to the back. I should have did this first, but I wanted to get this taken care of before I moved any further. And I put the staple in, and then I kind of used it to tie the string of the beads down, and that's going to be my hanger. I found these faux leather words at the Dollar Tree. They had thankful and blessed in there, and I'm going to take the thankful and make sure I hit it pretty good with the hot glue, so I had no lifting. And I place this at the top portion. I took a buffalo check ribbon, made a bow, and I like to clip my ribbon with pinking shears just to give it a nice edge. And then I just glued this and placed it just under my pumpkins. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.